Welcome back to DeeBeeGee's Virtual Black Doll Museum on YouTube for a video recap of the installations for the week of 6/29/2025. On Monday, the installation was for Belle Magnifique by Kish and Company, released in the year 2006. It's Belle. And on Wednesday, the installation was for Billy Magnifique, also by Kish and Company, although this doll is a one-of-a-kind created using a duplicate of Belle. So few cute black male dolls are made that I decided to create a male companion for Belle. Billy has also a handmade leather slingshot that I made. And on Friday, the installation was for Liberty Belle from the 2002 Club USA collection by Helen Kish. Liberty Belle usually holds an American flag. Links to each installation are in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, visit the museum website at virtualblackdollmuseum.com. Find the subscribe button, enter your email address, and you'll be updated by email when new installations are published. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, and sharing. Your comments and feedback are also appreciated.